How y'all doing today? It's another beautiful day here in North Texas, 85 degrees. It's April 1st, gorgeous out. As you saw from the thumbnail, today we're going to cook barbecue, bacon, pineapple burgers. Delicious burger, easy to make. So I want to get right into it. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I went ahead and I pre-made some burgers. And I got three. I use 93% ground beef. When you're cooking steaks, you want a well-marbled steak. You want a lot of fat in it. That gives it the flavor, the tenderness. But when I cook hamburger, and maybe it's just me, but I like a 93% lean. If you use too much fat, like a 80% or 85, the fat just renders out. It just ends up on the grill and your burgers shrink up. So I use a 93%. Another little trick I do, and again, it's just me, but it's something I like to do. I cut up a slice of bread. Today I used Wonder Bread because I was making some grilled cheese sandwiches last week, and I wanted the kind you had in high school with the American cheese and the light fluffy bread. So I had some Wonder Bread in the refrigerator, and I cut up half a slice and folded it into the burgers with a little bit of the pineapple juice and a little bit of the barbecue sauce. And the reason I put the chopped bread in there is because kind of like a meatloaf, where the bread helps absorb some of the juices, it makes the meat more tender, the burger more tender. If you happen to have extra burgers and you reheat them, they can have a tendency to get very hard. So with the breadcrumbs in there, it soaks up the juices, soaks up the flavor, keeps it from getting too hard, too stiff. But you don't want so much, it's gonna fall apart like a meatloaf might. I put half a slice in two burgers. I've got three burgers here because one of my girls can't eat yeast or bread, so there's no bread in that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the grill. I also have them kind of thin because they're gonna be a thick burger. By the time you get the pineapple slice on there, the bacon on there, slice of red onion, it's gonna be a pretty thick burger. So I crush these pretty flat. Normally I like a big thick burger, but this is going to be, like I said, fat and juicy by the time we're done with it. So I'll get these on the grill. Just put a weight on there. I'm going to get some bacon on the grill. Now I have the grill heated up. It's set to medium temperature right now. Get some bacon strips on. Turn that down to low on the bacon. It's not a thick cut bacon, so it's going to throw it up pretty quick. That'll be enough of that. Put the rest of this in the house. So I turned this burner off because this bacon is thin, it's cooking up really quick. And I have a paper plate there with some paper towels. I can put that bacon right on there if it's done. I like to push it over to the side. That's why I shut this burner off. Push it over the side when it's done. Let it stay warm. But if it cooks too quick, so it's a very thin cut bacon. Bacon's so expensive nowadays that they tend to do that. And these burgers aren't going to take long to cook either because, like I said, I made them thin, so they're going to heat up through. I want them to be about 145 degrees. And I have a cheat sheet here. All my meat temperatures: beef, rare, medium, medium rare, medium well, fresh seafoods, all seafoods, poultry, pork, and has the temperature of each different degree that you want to cook at. So I keep this out. I use a digital thermometer, and I'll get my temps. When I turn the hamburgers over, I'm going to put the pineapple. Disappointed in my Walmart bacon there, but I should have got the thick cut. No biggie. Now I'm going to let these cook up halfway up the side a little bit. That looks pretty good because I had the hot griddle on top of it. Now, cooks quick, cooking up quick. I like to, I'm a regular guy. I like to cook regular food like everybody else likes to eat. Just try to elevate it a little bit, make it a little bit, something that you serve your friends and be proud of. Bring that down to low, bring that down to low. And I have some buns here, ready to throw on the grill as well. Bacon's just about done. I'm about to take a temperature on meat patties. Yeah, I mean, I love to eat, but I don't want to make things complicated. I try to make it simple so that you can, make it as easy as I can make it. If I see something that's too complicated in a recipe, I'll look at it. I was just looking at onion rings because I want to have onion rings with a lunch next week. And the onion ring recipe was so complicated. I'm like, I don't want to make that. I just want to dip the onion rings in a batter, throw them in a pot of oil, and come out with some good tasting onion rings. So I want that. That's perfect. Take that off, take that off. Put these patties to heat over. Oh, heavens yes. Heavens yes. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's bacon out of the way. That is perfect. So next week, and I want to thank everybody that watched my videos before, my first video. I did a first video last week. I had birthday pizza because it was my birthday. Never made a video before, never made pizza before. So what did I do? I put all the nevers together and came out with probably the worst video you've ever seen. If it was a financial decision, it would have been a terrible one. Luckily, I do this because I enjoy cooking, and I just want to make it fun and easy for everybody. So this time I'm doing something that I never cooked pineapple on the grill, but delicious burger, barbecued bacon pineapple burger. Next week, I'm going to make one of my favorites, and I'm going to show you some tricks and some tips on that one. So I hope you stay around for that one as well. And that's a barbecued bacon cheddar burger, and it's absolutely delicious. Now I have some fresh fruit cup with this, and I have baked fries in the oven. Yesterday I made a sweet potato fry. Those were delicious. They're good with this, but you can serve any of your favorite fries with this. onion rings, French fries, like I said, sweet potato fries, coleslaw, potato salad, you name it. If it's on your list, I'm gonna get a close up here. Bacon, buns, pineapple, and the burgers. The burgers are all done. Buns come off the grill, bam, golden brown. Look at that. Look at that. That is perfect. Golden brown. Wow. One here, put one here. That's good. One here. That. Let's go in the house. Well, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. The grill's already turned off. All right, what I'm gonna do here, just take a close up of that for you. Look at that burger. I gotta get this without my shadow. All right, I took a picture of that for you. Fresh fruit cup. Barbecue, bacon, pineapple burger. Look at that burger. My goodness, I am hungry. So before I go in for lunch, which I can't wait for because it really looks good. Let me close this down. Clean that up after. So before I go in for lunch, I would just like to ask, do me a favor, if you make the burgers, enjoy the burgers, if you enjoy watching the video, if you can understand me, because I do have a New England accent. I'm here in North Dallas, but I grew up on a Cape Cod, a little place called Cape Cod up near Boston, Massachusetts. So I do have that Bostonian accent, a little hard to break free from. So if you enjoyed the video, if you make the burgers, love the burgers, you want to come back next week and see the best barbecued bacon cheddar burger, please do me a favor, click the subscription, ring the bell, give me a like, do something for me. Give the old guy a break. I'm out here having fun, trying to share what I love doing with you, making it easy. Regular guy to regular guy or girl, making life easy, grilling. What did that take? Took 10 minutes. I did a little bit of prep work first in the house. Made the burgers inside, folded the meat together with the breadcrumbs, pineapple juice, a little bit of the barbecue sauce, which reminds me, let me show you this barbecue sauce. I used Johnny's whiskey sauce, and this is good. I normally use a Sweet Baby Ray's, but with the pineapple burger, it's already sweet, so I didn't want the sweet on the sweet. This has a little bit of bite to it. It's absolutely delicious on a burger like this. So again, that's Johnny's whiskey sauce. It's a delicious barbecue sauce. And because I'm making pineapple burgers, I have me a tequila and pineapple juice, a little ginger ale, and my pineapple thermal cup, and my tropical shirt on today. It's all about living the dream. I'm out here retired. Retired means I only work 40 hours a week now. I got booted out of my lifetime job, not a lifetime job, but my career job because of age. We age out at 65. So I had to leave, forced retirement, do something else. Retired, came here to Texas, and now I get to enjoy what I like to do, cook out in the backyard. So I hope you enjoy it with me. Cheers, until next week, I'll see you all again. That's good.